Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can cancel Shopify app subscription. A lot of people think that you can just delete the app and then it will stop charging your credit card, which is wrong. Like the app will still charge your credit card even if you deleted the app. Now a lot of people say the same thing, you have to delete the app, but I tried it and the app keeps charging my credit card every month. Now I'm going to show you guys the correct way on how you can cancel the app subscription on Shopify. Now you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, okay, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and here you will find all the apps. Okay, now let's say that you are paying for example earlier reviews. Let's say that you are paying for this app. Now a lot of people say that you just have to click on uninstall and then click delete, and that's exactly how you can cancel the app subscription, which is wrong. That's not how it works. You want to click on the app, okay, click on it, and here you want to find something that says here cancel subscription. You want to find, for example, you will find it in the top here, or you want to scroll down and something that says here cancel subscription. Okay, after you cancel subscription, that's the moment where you need to delete the app. But if you don't cancel the subscription, don't delete the app, because it's not going to stop charging your credit card. It will keep charging your credit card. Okay, now if you don't find here cancel subscription, I am going to tell you what to do. You want to click on get support in the top here, get support, and then you want to explain to this app, hi, I would like to cancel my subscriptions. Okay, and then click send and then click send message here, and then click send message, and then they will get back to you to the same email that you use on your Shopify. Now that's in case you didn't find cancel here, or you can click on more actions and probably you will find it here where you can cancel app subscription. After you cancel the app subscription, then you can then go and click uninstall, and then you can click on this and then click delete, and now you have successfully cancelled everything. And if this video guys helped you, if you need any questions, like if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.